In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional Facebook post ad in Canva. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up the right size, choose a polished layout, and customize it so it fits your brand and your message. First, open Canva in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. On the Canva homepage, look for the main button that lets you start a new design. It's usually labeled Create a Design and appears at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Canva lets you choose the format and size of whatever you're creating. A search bar will appear in the drop-down. In that search field, start typing Facebook ad. As you type, Canva will suggest different formats. You might see options like Facebook ad, Facebook post, or other social sizes. For a professional Facebook post ad, select the option that simply says Facebook ad. This ensures your design will have the correct dimensions and will display properly when you upload it to Facebook. Once you click that, Canva will open a new blank canvas at the right size with a panel of templates on the left side of the screen. These templates are professionally designed layouts you can use as a starting point, which is really helpful if you're not a designer or you want something that already looks polished. Next, move your attention to the Templates panel. If you don't see it, click on the Templates tab on the left. You'll now see a wide range of ready-made Facebook ad designs. Take a moment to scroll through and look for a layout that fits the style and purpose of your ad. For example, you might choose something clean and minimal for a corporate offer or something bold and colorful for a sale or event. When you find a template you like, click on it once. Canva will automatically apply it to your canvas. From here, you can begin editing. Click directly on any text to change the headline, description, or call to action, and replace the default wording with your own message. You can also click on images to swap them out with your own photos or use Canva's built-in photo library. As you edit, keep your design simple and readable. Make sure your main message stands out and that any important details, like discounts or dates, are clear at a glance. When you're happy with your design, you're ready to download it and use it in your Facebook advertising campaign.